So you can see a human walking here. The next moment there is a hare over here, and then only a bit later there's a roe deer over here. Just really funny that they all share the same path.
We're located here close to the cities of The Hague and Leiden, actually right in the middle, and we're studying the impact of humans on wildlife. So we have a set of camera traps hidden here in the forest, and we're looking at the animals that are present in the forest and whether there's influence of people on the animals.
So we're doing the research in two patches of forest. This is the patch where humans are allowed, and over there you can see the other patch, which is a protected piece of forest, and there's actually only a meadow in between. The study is comparative, so there are two pieces of forest with both 8 camera traps in it. So they trigger when an animal walks by, and by that triggering we know how many animals are there and what kind of animals. So I was quite amazed by all the animals and actually the biodiversity that you could find in this forest that is so close to urban areas. So you can find roe deer, you can find foxes, hare, hedgehogs, even birds like buzzards.
This is part of my educational program, which I conduct with several of my colleagues. And the first part was getting students ready to monitor biodiversity. There was a group of students that joined me and 2 colleagues to East Africa.
So we studied human-wildlife conflicts, and for that you need to know where the wildlife is, which is perfectly measurable with camera traps.
I think one of the key things that students gain here is transferable skills, real skills that they apply in real case studies. Of course, the foundation is the lectures and the classroom activities and the discussions, but applying this in a real life scenario really adds something for the students, in my opinion. One thing I find extremely valuable in teaching is to co-teach. We've done this in East Africa, where I collaborated with an anthropologist and a developmental specialist. So if I can suggest one thing to my fellow educators and teachers is to explore opportunities to collaborate on a shared topic.
I really love doing research like this. Like, I know I'm in a liberal arts and science college, so I'm in class a lot and you just study a lot, you work on a lot of assignments, but actually being out here in the field and do the data collecting yourself, yeah, that's just amazing. I'm really lucky to be able to do this.